Are you one of the 97% people tricked into splurging on ceremonial matcha for your matcha lattes, while you're spending way more than you have to and your latte isn't any better? Today, I'm going to show you 4 reasons why you should stop buying any ceremonial matcha for your lattes. So keep watching. Hi there, I'm Kimmy, your matcha crazy friend and a certified tea sommelier. Welcome to my cozy little matcha cafe. If you enjoy videos on how to make matcha drinks and food, make sure you poke the like button so I can make more similar videos for you. So now, poke the like button. Label of ceremonial matcha is one of my big icks for matcha market in North America. Most people have very basic knowledge and experience about matcha, so it's easy for misinformation to be spread, and people are tricked into buying the wrong product because of the fancy label. This is usually the case for ceremonial matcha. Big chance you don't need to pay a premium for a ceremonial matcha for your latte. This could sound alarming for you, but let me share 4 reasons why you could be saving a whole bunch of money next time when you go matcha shopping. So let's go jump right in. Number 1, misleading marketing. You've probably heard that the ceremonial grade matcha is the highest quality matcha out there. This is true to some extent, because matcha grading could vary by a lot, and the highest grade matcha could end up tasteless in your latte. There's no such thing as ceremonial grade matcha in Japan. It's a Western market made term. There's no standard on what to consider as ceremonial grade. This means loose interpretation by industry. Everyone can call themselves a ceremonial grade. It is why you see so much differences between all the brands. But you are sold that ceremonial grade is the best and only matcha you should get. So where is this word ceremonial matcha coming from? So in Japan, there are 2 main categories for matcha: ceremonial use, called chado-yu, and also culinary use, ryu-ryu. So chado-use matcha is now translated into ceremonial grade matcha. But they don't serve matcha latte at the traditional tea ceremony. There are 2 ways of preparing matcha at Japanese tea ceremony: koicha and usucha. Both are straight-up matcha with different intensity and preparation techniques. That being said, the matcha used at the tea ceremony is not intended for matcha lattes. You'll be astonished by how many different grades out there for chado use. For big tea manufacturers in Japan, especially in Kyoto, where tea companies are deeply connected with tea schools and temples, those tea companies would blend and create a special grade just for those tea masters. Number 2, it's not ideal for mixed drinks due to its mild flavor profiles. Ceremonial grade matcha's original use is not for matcha latte or any mixed drinks. It's traditionally to be served as a straight-up tea at the tea ceremony. No milk, no flavoring, no anything added to it. In Japan, the higher grade the matcha gets, the more savory, umami, nutty it gets. The same applies to all other high-grade Japanese tea, such as sencha and gyokuro. The word umami is highly sought after in high-quality tea, so it will be weird to add milk or sweetener to something savory. And also, that being said, the delicate savory flavor profiles could be overshadowed if you add milk or sweetener to it. That means you are using something that's not intended to be mixed with sugar and milk. But not all ceremonial matcha is bad for lattes. Watch my other videos on how to choose the right matcha for your matcha latte. If you find any value in this video so far, please support us by poking the like button and leave matcha in the comment below for YouTube algorithm. It truly helps me growing this channel, and it shows me that you enjoy contents like this. So I will make more similar videos for you. So go ahead and poke that like button and comment matcha below. So let's carry on. Number 3, high cost, low impact. Ceremonial grade matcha could range from 50 cents per gram to $5 per gram. Is ceremonial matcha the best for lattes? Absolutely not. Actually, by choosing a lower grade of chado-used matcha, your matcha latte could still taste enjoyable. It's because that the lower grade the matcha gets, the more bitter, earthier and grassier it gets, but also not to the point that's not enjoyable. The whole philosophy around Japanese tea ceremony is to make your guests feel comfortable and relaxed. That also applies to the taste of matcha. So even it's a lower grade of overused matcha, it's still enjoyable in your latte. But the earthiness and the grassiness in the matcha could make your latte taste more well-rounded, and the flavor can stand out more when you add milk and sugar to it. 10 years ago, when I walk on the street of Kyoto, Uji, all the matcha shops offer two types of matcha. Straight-up matcha, called usucha, or simply ocha, or matcha sweets like matcha soft-serve, matcha walabi mochi, matcha dango, etc. It's very uncommon to see matcha latte on their menu. I've seen many people walking straight to our cafe and demanding for the most expensive matcha that we have, only to find out later that they are using it for matcha latte or a $60 luxurious matcha tiramisu. Later they will come back and complain that they couldn't taste any matcha flavor out of it because the top grade matcha usually doesn't have a strong bitterness or a strong matcha taste to it. Number 4, care is important. Most people don't know they need to take good care of their matcha powder because if you don't, it will become terrible after first use. Make sure to keep in an airtight container if you open the bag, or push out the air in the bag, then close the zipper tightly. Put in the freezer or fridge. Keep it away from any light source and don't use a clear container. Okay, there you have it. Now I went through a lot of things in a short period of time, and there's no way I could cover everything in details. If you are curious and want to learn more about matcha, the production process, the history, and the common mistakes of making matcha lattes, make sure you like and subscribe my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment below. See you next time!